So, welcome to Khayal Unfiltered. Today's episode, your take on, is about the little things, the moments that aren't dramatic enough to be life changing, but somehow still leave a mark. The passing comment, the awkward pause, the unread message, the cancelled plan, the weight of a compliment, the sting of being left out. Moments that may seem insignificant, sometimes even funny, but quietly shape who we become. To share her take on life's little moments, I have with me my school friend, Samia Ehsanuddin Hamdani, a mom of three, a Dubai girl, a popular blogger, and someone who always has an honest, sometimes unapologetically candid take on things. Samia, welcome to Khayal Unfiltered.
Thank you. Thank you, Aisha, for having me here. So
So,
excited.
thank you, thank you. So am I. So, the first things first, let's start with technology. What is your take on when you've sent a message, they haven't replied?
Hello, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I am Samya from Samya Simple Stories. Aisha said I have a blog. Yes, that is my blog, and that's my pet peeve. Hello, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. So I want to start with that. So because I'm in the social media world, Aisha, I do get a lot of messages, DMs also with work. And there are times that I am usually able to reply back immediately, but then there are times that I'm not able to. So I understand when someone doesn't reply back in, say, maybe an hour or 2 hours, but maybe by if someone I've texted in the morning and they haven't texted by evening, I would imagine that they should have.
Busy.
But in life, I think we're all old enough to realize that life throws so much at us daily that sometimes these things get amiss. So I am a very I don't mind it actually. Unless it's an urgent thing, and I've learned that if it's urgent, I pick up the phone and call someone. I don't wait for a text. So that's the way I work now, or my life works.
Yeah.
Important things, you pick up the phone and call someone. If it's not important or whatever, you just text and then wait on that person.
Huh. So, like, for example, I've texted people, sorry, I couldn't make it to your thing, or I've invited someone and I get no reply back. I just find that a bit weird. Like, come
It
on.
is. It is. That's not courtesy. You see, common courtesy
Yeah.
is if you're regretting an invite and all. Yes, people may take it to heart that, oh, why is she not coming? But obviously, there's a million reasons. I will, now that we're in Ramzan, I'll give a small example. I don't go to iftaris where my children are not invited, because this is the only time in the year that my children fast and I sit together at a dining table because of the age difference. Everyone's eating at different time. So I don't go to many where I'm not. So when I say no, people obviously, they're very sweet to invite you, but sometimes they want you to come and you can't go, and they want you to know why. People just, I think it's common courtesy to say, okay, we'll miss you, or give a reply. People don't do that, and it is a little odd. So
हाँ, I think so. Because हमें आदत है ना वो
हम
phone
हैं
call.
हम हैं old school for sure. We are old school. I think we were brought up by our parents. I think the next generation
Hmm.
is going to be, they're much more matter of fact. We
Hmm.
used to take a lot of things to heart also, क्योंकि अगर जवाब नहीं दिया तो फोन नाराज तो नहीं है. The first reaction
Yes.
is to think
Yeah.
वो नाराज तो नहीं है हमारे से. But
Yeah.
I think, oh, age teaches you a lot also.
Yeah.
So now if someone doesn't reply to me, I don't think वो मेरे से नाराज है कुछ. I'm like, okay, time नहीं है उनके पास. So
I
that
mean,
that's how I
I
think.
do, for me, if they're not responding or whatever, I just feel maybe I'm not important enough for them and it's okay.
No, no, I don't think it's that, Aisha. I think it's just that, just imagine your life or my life. We are so, I think we are occupied beyond our, at least myself. I'm speaking for myself now. I sometimes feel I'm too busy. And I
Hmm.
made myself that for my own personal reasons, whatever. But I just want to be doing something. I don't want to waste time. But at times, like yesterday, I had half the day free and I was just loving it. Didn't do, I actually slept in the afternoon for an hour. I haven't done that in like years.
Hmm.
So, to slow down a little bit also. And I don't know, some people are inherently, they feel self-guilt.
Hmm.
So maybe, I'm not one of those anymore. I used to be a people pleaser. I used to want to be everyone's favorite. I'm just my own favorite now. That's all that matters.
ठीक है. That's a good thing. So,
Yeah,
I mean, I will stick by what I feel that, if somebody writes to you, whenever you get the time, do respond. I
yeah,
think it is just common,
100%.
So, I mean,
I
busy is
100%
fine.
agree.
Everybody's busy, but still.
Uh,
Anyway, next question. Leaving a WhatsApp group without offending anyone. Oh my God, that is like my thing. If I I've left groups and then people are not very happy with me.
No, but did you tell them before you left, or did you leave without telling anyone?
I just left.
No. So then the common courtesy
Yes,
goes to
yes,
you
yes,
also. You say,
yes.
people make groups, Aisha, for reasons, right? For a birthday, for an iftar, for
Yeah.
a trip. When you make those kind of things, then you leave and you say, okay, see you back on the other groups. Because obviously you make groups with people you know. And when you are leaving a group, I do
Mm,
that. In
mm.
Dubai, a lot of groups are made for birthdays and for
Yeah,
get togethers.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
and for photographs, we share photographs. Dubai has this photograph mania. So, we make that. So, everyone sends the photographs. After it's done, many, many times, because I have like 100 WhatsApp groups, as do other people.
Mm,
So, I say it on it. See you
mm,
guys back on the other group, and I just leave then. So,
yeah.
others know that you've left because your WhatsApp is full. And everyone's WhatsApps are full, yeah.
करेक्ट करेक्ट नो
तो
आई
बता के
एग्री
छोड़ना नेक्स्ट
बता के
टाइम.
छोड़ हाँ नेक्स्ट
हाँ,
यही अब
हाँ.
यही
कोई
करती
नहीं ऑफेंड होएगा फिर.
हूँ yes yes I know no
Yeah.
I don't do that normally but anyway I do feel sometimes that like uh, messages आए चले जा रहे हैं and your phone भी आप वो होता
Yeah.
जा रहा है
Yeah.
fulfill
The
होता जा
first
रहा है
thing to that, Aisha, is if you have a group that's made, put it on mute the first time you see it. Put it on mute immediately. That'll help you, by the way.
So no, I just yeah I know what you mean. I think I am still old school. मुझे बहुत सारे groups में और वो होना ना मुझे घबराहट होती है of like
Yeah.
tons of messages. It just sort of I just feel I'm a one-on-one. I'm not a hugely like
Yeah.
70 people group person anyway. चलो खैर.
True.
So yeah, you're right. We should say and then move, or maybe
And
just
leave.
message the admin separately and say, listen, okay.
Okay.
So next thing, I mean, taking technology forward. How do you think technology has changed friendships or, say, relationships? Has it?
I think for me it's made them better. I think because you're in touch with your loved ones more.
Yes.
Technology has made like my friends who are in America and Canada, our two
Mm.
best friends. In the middle, maybe for 10 years or so, when I think that's also because our children were so young and we were also preoccupied. But because there was no WhatsApp, because there was no group chats, and there was technology wasn't as advanced. It was a phone call, and they were expensive, and we were all young and not as um,
Yes.
able to afford that. We wouldn't be in touch. Now I feel it's really nice because you can pick up the phone and you can call your friends on WhatsApp, which is a free call, and be more in touch with them. With your family, you can call them, wish them in happiness and in sadness. So I think technology for me has been brilliant.
Yeah, absolutely. So you're absolutely right. So the many, many years that we were kind of not in each other's lives in terms of not knowing कि दूसरी की जिंदगी में क्या हो रहा है till we met some months later and then we sort of
Of
catch up
course.
and all. But
Bilkul,
now it's
bilkul,
different.
bilkul.
Like we share our fears, our worries, our what joys together. So yeah,
100%.
100 absolutely. And I feel for my as a mom having children away, it is hugely
Yes.
convenient to have that
Bilkul,
facility to
bilkul,
be able to
bilkul,
see them, their
bilkul.
face and all. But I also
Yeah.
like for the longest time, Samya, it's not अब नहीं ऐसे होता लेकिन for the longest time, WhatsApp पे जो मुझे invitations आते थे ना, I would actually get offended. I'd say,
Yeah.
why are you not calling me? What is this WhatsApp
Yeah.
invitation?
Actually, we are old school. That's why we are old school. Because when we were younger, it was all someone sent a card, someone sent,
Yeah,
like,
more
sorry,
personal. Yeah.
it was personal, right? Even now, I think people make a group and they, like you said about groups, people make a group and they invite you on that, right?
Yes.
One card and that's it. And so
Yes.
you're invited, right?
Yes.
Earlier on, it was an individual invite they were sending, which was
Yes.
at least slightly more personal. First, it was calls, right? So I think even wedding cards now, people are now going to electronic
हाँ.
wedding
Which is fine.
cards.
You're saving paper. Like बहुत
Yeah,
benefits हैं
वही ना.
उसमें से.
Benefits तो बहुत हैं, but I know
But
where
it's
you're coming
really
from.
nice if somebody call. Like for me, so when my daughter was getting married, जो elders थे उनको तो cards तो हमने छपवाए, but हम elders को खास खुद जाके दिया because I think that's
Yes.
what we know.
Very good.
Maybe हमारे बच्चे वो भी ना शायद करें.
Probably not.
हाँ, probably not.
Probably not. Yeah.
But for me, I could not imagine not sort of personally inviting,
Yeah.
the elders at least.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, acha, I know your take on this, but your take on birthday posts versus private messages. A lot of people say, "Bhai, why are you putting it out there? कह दो उस बंदे को phone करके." What is your
Yeah.
take on that?
So I do both. I
Mm,
actually do both because
mm,
I'm a social media person and people, I think, also expect it of me now. I'm not joking, but they do, because I have had people call me and say, तुमने मेरे लिए पोस्ट नहीं लगाया, so
Hmm.
तुमने मेरी स्टोरी नहीं लगाई, तुमने मुझे विश नहीं किया इंस्टाग्राम पे. And I have already, and I'm, you know me long enough. I've always remembered everyone's
Oh
birthdays.
yeah, yeah.
So I've
Annoyingly
always
so.
done.
हर चीज याद होती
Annoyingly so,
है.
right? I remember everyone, I called them, and people never used to do reciprocate even, which I didn't mind, because I used to tell myself, if I'm like that, I can't expect others to be like that. So I'm quite that. But in the middle, for about 6 months after Ammi passed away, I didn't do it because I just didn't feel like it. I don't know, something in my mind, whatever. Some people I would, but some I just, people who I would put it, some acquaintances I didn't. I had some calls then saying, सुनो मेरे तुमने मुझे wish नहीं किया. I was
हाँ,
like, okay. Then sometimes I would put it, sometimes I would be like, यार अभी दिल नहीं चाह रहा.
हाँ, सही
So
है.
I think people don't realize that maybe just because you're a social media person, or you like, out there, that your feelings are really like also all over the place sometimes, which they were. And I guess one gets over them, but
I am,
yeah,
for me, I feel, yes, I mean, I remember मैं पोस्ट लगाती ही नहीं थी.
yeah,
किसी के लिए भी नहीं. तुम भी लगा रही हो मेरे लिए, लेकिन मैं नहीं लगा रही क्योंकि मुझे
yeah,
एक तो लगाना ही नहीं आता था. एंड देन फॉर मी, फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम आई यूज्ड टू फील कि भाई मैं फॉर मी आई वांट टू हियर देयर वॉइस, आई वांट देम टू हियर माय वॉइस, एंड
yeah,
that shows
good
my
enough.
good enough, right? But then I also felt कि, for my close friends, not everybody, but for my
Yeah.
close friends, if this is something that matters to them, then it should matter to me. Like,
बिल्कुल.
meaning I should, just now somebody said na कि यार I didn't wish because I'm not a birthday person. Okay, but I am. So if I matter to you, then make that call.
Yeah.
अगर आपको नहीं भी
Yes.
पसंद, तो now I do
बिल्कुल.
make those posts because I feel कि मेरी दोस्तों को
बिल्कुल.
अच्छा लगता है तो मैं करूंगी regardless of it,
बिल्कुल.
right?
बिल्कुल ठीक है. I
तो
think that's
मुझे
a really good way of thinking.
मुझे जो है ये नहीं समझ आती, लेकिन जो लव मैसेजेस आते हैं लोगों, कपल्स जो एक दूसरे को लगा, दैट आई डोंट गेट समया. आई स्टिल डोंट, आई स्वेयर आई डोंट नो दिस डिक्लेरेशंस ऑफ लव.
Hmm. Each to their own, Aisha.
आई नो.
Maybe that's their way of like sharing their love. Some people, men, I feel from my own experience, they don't say, "Oh, I love you." How many men do you know that they'll say, "I love you," even to their wives? They don't,
Yeah,
hardly any of them, right?
yeah,
There are
yeah.
very few who are romantic husbands. Like this friend of mine, he didn't come to a friend's wedding because he goes on Valentine with her on the 14th. Yeah, they didn't come to a friend's big wedding. I thought that was the sweetest thing in the
Yes,
world, right? But
yes.
he's done that for years. So, he's a romantic at heart, and he does that. Kudos to the wife and him that they are like so sweet and loving. Yeah. You're and my husband, probably the last time you heard I love you, I don't even remember, right? So that doesn't mean they don't love us, right? But अली को तो टेक्नोलॉजी ज्यादा आती नहीं है, तो वो तो बेचारा है ही नहीं आदि सोशल मीडिया पे. सो वो तो उसको तो वी आर लाइक सच ऑपोजिट्स इन दिस. So for him to bring me flowers off and on is enough for me.
Yeah,
You know, that's
yeah.
fine. On Valentine's नहीं आए flowers, so it's okay. मुझे ये नहीं है कि भाई अल्लाह मेरे लाल flowers क्यों नहीं आए? He doesn't love me. Some people love doing that, and it's, I guess, each to their own.
मतलब I just, yeah, I don't know. I
पहले,
think,
आयशा, पुराने हमारे जो, the way we've been brought up, I think this is what I understand. That I was brought up with the thing कि नहीं लगाओ, नजर लग जाएगी, ज्यादा नहीं दिखावा करो, वो ये हो जाएगा, वो जाएगा. वो from that mindset that is so embedded in us,
hmm,
that to relearn that and to kind of align to a different kind of mindset is very difficult, and you have to relearn to do all of that. I may not put up these posts for my, but maybe, for my children, I do that now. Even Noor, I don't show. But Shami Shayan, I make a post for them every year. Hardly, but jab dil chahta hai.
हाँ,
Firstly, they didn't want it. Now that Shamir is older, he doesn't mind it. Shayan is still getting there. But for them to know that I made that effort to go through all of those pictures, put them together, and put up a post, that also shows my love for them in a way. Not that mothers don't love their children, but I, like you just said, if the other person likes it, why don't you do
why
it?
not do it? हाँ.
Maybe they won't like it abhi, but later on in life वो देखेंगे नीचे जाके माँ के एक पोस्ट लगी हुई है हमारे बारे में भी, तो उनको, they'll like it, I think.
Yeah, I know. So for like जब war हुई थी ना, तो where my mind went, Samya, my mind went to writing letters for the children and mailing it to them. I think मैं इतनी old school हूँ
That's so
actually.
sweet, huh?
And
But
I
that's
thought,
lovely, Aisha. That's so nice.
so for me, it's instead of a post, it's like, let me write something for them and leave it for them. Because if, for example, something happens, we leave nothing for them but except letters. And so
Yeah.
obviously letters, एक्चुअली सोचा मेल करूंगी, लेकिन देन आई मेल कहाँ जाएगी इन अ वॉर जोन,
Yes.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली
Exactly.
लिख के इनको भेज दो, ईमेल कर दो.
बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छा किया. Yeah.
तो
Yeah.
या आई
I
मीन,
hope you read that.
I didn't actually, because then we didn't die. No, I know, I thought about it, but I didn't. I spoke to them and I said, then I also thought, कि, अच्छा, listen, because they were all three of them were away. And I thought, अच्छा,
Yeah.
let me just do like a Zoom call with the three of them and my son-in-law. Of course, I have four children now. So, and I thought,
Mashallah.
उनको Zoom call करके ना, I give them these instructions and then I just say, अच्छा, अब ठीक है.
अच्छा बेटा अब मैं मरने जा रही हूँ खुदा हाफिज आप लोग को आई लव यू.
So funny, but
Funny.
yeah, even so, I wouldn't put that up as a post. But anyway,
Yeah.
अच्छा. Now coming to some social encounters. Tell me, जब किसी को मिलती हो और नाम नहीं याद रहता और वो they're like, क्या हाल है सम्या, and you can't remember their name. What do you
I
do?
meet them as if they're my best friends.
Yeah,
I do. I
yeah,
have mastered the art of doing that, Aisha.
yeah.
And recently I was at a wedding, and because of my social media now, I have a lot of followers who meet me like they love me and they meet me so pyar se that
Hmm.
obviously
Yeah.
I don't know the 73,000 people who are following me, all of them, right? So I don't know the names. But when you follow someone, if you're an influencer, you think you are close to that person because you're seeing them every day, right? They know your life, but they don't know you. Even they, you interact with them, this you send them a DM saying something and asking, they'll reply. But then when you meet them, because their faces are like tiny, you don't have
Ah,
open profiles, so they're open profiles to see who they are.
yeah.
But when I meet them like I know them so well. They won't even know that I don't know them. And half of them, I swear to God, have no idea who they are. And later I'll ask a friend of mine, shit, yaar, iska naam kya tha?
Ah.
But
Well,
obviously, I will never let it show to them that I don't know them.
that's very kind also. I think, yeah, that's nice. That's a nice thing to do. या तो मेरे भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं बहुत सारे, लेकिन मुझे सबके नाम याद नहीं रहते, क्योंकि इतने साल पढ़ाया है तो सबके नाम मुझे,
Mashallah. Yes.
बट वंस दे, सो बट आई नेवर फॉरगेट माय स्टूडेंट्स फेस.
Face. To tell you, this is really cute. It's a tip for you and for your people who are listening to Khayal and all that I have learned. If you are standing with someone and a third person comes and they,
Hmm.
hello, Samya, kya haal hai? So I'll be like, बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक, तुम कैसी हो? So good to see you.
Yeah.
And so then you'll have to awkwardly introduce, like, if suppose you are standing with me, I'll say, this is Aisha. And I'll say, oh, this is my friend, because I won't know the name, right?
Yeah,
So I'll
yeah.
just have to say, my friend. And then you will pick on that and you will, if you're intelligent enough, you'll say, sorry, I didn't catch your name. And then they'll say their name, right? And they'll
Hmm.
say, oh, my name is Farah. And then you'll be, oh, it's, and then I'll be, oh, yeah, woohoo, she's Farah.
हाँ, but you
So
need a
that's what I,
smart accomplice for that ना. साथ जो
yes.
बंदा खड़ा हो वो भी like, क्या नाम है आपका?
नहीं चलो वो भी पूछ लेना आपका नाम क्या था तो एटलीस्ट नाम तो पता चल जाएगा ना एंड दैट टाइम आई शुड जस्ट शट अप आई शुड नॉट
Yeah.
pretend that I didn't say the name. I should like be like, so
Hmm. बिल्कुल.
that is something I've started doing.
Acha, now tell me, so your take on running into someone with whom you've had an uncomfortable, so your last encounter was uncomfortable, or that you've had like a little tiff and running into them.
Okay, actually very recently actually this happened. It wasn't a tiff, it was a misunderstanding. It was a designer, and they had there was two of them in it, and one of them was a little not rude. They had promised to pay me an X amount of money, and I had done with the work for them, and one of them had messaged, can you give us a discount? And I had said that, this is the minimum I can do. So should I go ahead? And the other sister had said, yes, please do. So there was a bit of miscommunication. And when time came to pay up, they paid me less. And it was a very polite message I sent them saying that, it's not nice not to pay up or whatever, something like that.
Yeah.
So for a while, I think for a year or so, in the middle, I didn't see them. I live here, they live in Karachi. And when I did see one of the sisters, I'm obviously more friendly with than the other. And when I saw her recently, about 3, 4 months ago, I saw her and I went to her and I just was completely normal because I had actually forgotten about that incident even. I don't remember these little things. And I met her effusively and I realized after I'd hugged her that, when she moved back, she was a little awkward. So I think, ठीक हो? तो इस लाइक नहीं नहीं लास्ट टाइम पता है ये हो गया था, वो ऐसी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गई। मैंने कहा सुनो यार मुझे तो याद ही नहीं, एक्चुअली एट दैट टाइम शी रियलाइज आई डिडंट इवन रिमेंबर, सो आई सेड मुझे तो याद ही नहीं है। मैंने कहा क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार, पुरानी चीजें दफा करो।
Hmm.
Because I had that attitude, okay,
Yeah,
let's move on, dafa karo. She was instantly, she was fine. She's like, she hugged me again, and that was it.
yeah,
So sometimes this can happen, but it's Aisha, life is so short
yeah, correct.
that these little things don't matter, really
But
don't matter.
but also good
But
on
if
her,
if it is
Samya.
like,
Huh.
huh,
I feel good on
good
her
on
for
her.
saying, ke, you know what, last time,
Yeah, yeah,
because a lot of the
yeah, yeah.
times people have this passive aggressive behavior going on where they're kind of like cold with you, but they're not also saying. अब मुझे ऐसे होता है कि again, I feel अगर somebody matters to you and you want them in your life, then you will say it. और if you
100% I agree.
आपको कह दोगे कि भाई ये मुझे, चाहे आप जैसे भी,
Problem है.
आप कह दो, यू नो, इफ यू वांट देम इन योर, इफ यू डोंट देन इट्स फाइन। और अब मैं बहुत सारे लोगों के
Yes.
साथ, आई डू हैव दिस ऑल्सो, समटाइम्स मैं बहुत नॉन कन्फ्रंटेशनल हूँ एज यू नो, बट जब कभी थोड़ा बहुत
Yeah,
हो जाता है तो आई डोंट से एनीथिंग। फिर मैं
yeah.
कुड़ती भी हूँ कि कुछ कह देती मैं, बिकॉज दे वर दिस वे द लास्ट टाइम, देन आई फील डज इट
Uh,
मैटर यार व्हाट दे
no,
फील।
Aisha, अम्मी यूज्ड टू से कि बेटे आपके हैंडफुल ऑफ फ्रेंड्स हो, 5 उंगलियां ना, हैंडफुल ऑफ फ्रेंड्स आपके हो ना, बहुत है जिंदगी में, एंड आई थिंक
हाँ,
दैट इज ट्रू. Look
या,
at us, we are 5 of us, we are more than enough for each other. But yes, one has to live in this world, we have to meet people, we have to, and everyone is not going to be on the same page as us anyways, so it doesn't matter. And like you just said, rightly so, it doesn't matter with 95% of the world. If
या,
they like you, they don't like you, if they, if something matters, it's that 5% or even 2% or 1% that you have in your life that you want to always please or to be
हम्म,
happy with.
हम्म,
Not even please, but just be happy with and never hurt
हम्म,
them or
हम्म,
never, do anything that they may not like.
या,
So that is where that's where my
हाँ,
I come from.
या अग्रीड। या तो बता दो, और अगर नहीं बताना
हाँ,
तो बस ठीक है।
बिल्कुल। एंड अगर फीलिंग हो ना कि कोई हो रहा है तो एक्चुअली बोल देना चाहिए,
हाँ,
एंड स्पेशली अपने क्लोज वंस में तो डेफिनेटली, बिकॉज क्लोज वाले ही है ना जो हु मैटर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे।
एग्जैक्टली,
दुनिया सारी थोड़ी मैटर करती है, अपने क्लोज है उनको आप पूछ लो भाई क्या हुआ है, मैंने कुछ कहा था, तुम अपसेट लग रही हो,
बिल्कुल।
सैड लग रही हो,
एंड आई
and
ऑल्सो,
they'll know you care enough, so you've asked, right? And then
एग्जैक्ट,
if they don't want to say anything, then it's on them, it's not on you then.
हाँ, एंड आई फील दैट समटाइम्स व्हेन यू जब आपको लग रहा होता है, व्हेन यू आर फीलिंग हर्ट बाय समवन, परहैप्स आल्सो लुक एट देयर लाइक पास्ट track record to say so to speak, वो किस तरह से रहे
Yeah.
थ्रू आउट, एंड इफ इट्स अ लिटिल आउट ऑफ कैरेक्टर देन इट्स नाइस टू आस्क कि यू
Yes,
बिहेव
of
दिस वे,
course,
क्या
of
हुआ।
course. बिल्कुल,
कई लोग तो होते ही हैं समिया, मीन थोड़े से, और वो मीननेस करते रहते हैं,
बिल्कुल,
मीन, बट
बिल्कुल.
कई लोग अच्छे होते हैं, लेकिन वो समटाइम्स दे कैन एक्ट ऑफ बिकॉज
And
मे
also,
बी दे
Aisha,
गोइंग थ्रू
like
समथिंग।
everyone's life is not perfect.
या,
Everyone is going through something or the other. Challenges come in so many different ways. हमारे in our religion, they say na, Lamia will test you with al ulad and mal al ulad, right? So those three things: money, children, and health. These are the three things, and nobody do I know, and I know so many people, and you know so many people. How many people do you know whose life is perfect? No one's.
या,
So something is going on behind closed doors, which you and I may not know, and that's how they react.
हम्म,
So I guess it's
समटाइम्स,
not right to be rude to someone, but I mean,
हाँ,
it's that
हाँ,
that
मैं,
this. I mean, we adults now.
Yeah, and I actually try to ask myself, मैं किस ego state से ये चीज कर रही हूँ? Am I like feeling कि मुझे ऐसे feel, I mean, I've just to go beyond the self and say, अच्छा यार, it's okay.
Yeah, it is okay. Actually, it is okay.
हम्म,
It For me, these things don't matter
हाँ,
anymore.
हाँ,
Really, they don't matter.
छोटी सी जिंदगी है, और
छोटी सी जिंदगी है अभी, and जब आप you go through a challenge in your life and a big one like we have, my
हम्म,
family and I have. After that, you realize that what is important, who is important. Life teaches you so much. You
हम्म,
know
हम्म,
how much time you want to invest in someone. Like you guys, all my closest friends used to say कि तुम्हारे सारे तुम्हारे friends हैं, इतने ज़्यादा friends हैं, right? हैं acquaintances हैं सारे, friends
हम्म,
सिर्फ थोड़े से ही हैं, और वो मैं पहले जरा I was different. I wanted to be with everyone. I wanted to please everyone. I want to be nice. Now I don't. I am nice.
Hmm.
When you meet me, you'll feel I'm the nicest person. But I cannot invest my time with everyone. Time itna sa hai. We have families, we have children, we have elderly parents, ailing parents. It's life is really like we are on a ticking clock
Yeah,
now.
absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. So, what do you think of your take on small talk?
Oh, I'm like pro. I'm a
Oof.
pro on small talk. Bring it on.
Oh my God, teach me. Samya, it exhausts the living daylights out of me. I can't do it.
But I can't do it anymore also, Aisha. I can't. I mean, when you put me in a situation, my husband's a banker, he's a wealth manager. He
Yeah.
deals with a lot of people who I have to deal with. I can small talk when I need to,
Hmm.
but I can't do it on a regular basis anymore also because थक जाता है इंसान. And you आपकी वो capacity नहीं होती कि अब but मैं कर सकती हूँ. You put me in any situation, देखो लगेगा 2 मिनट में बेस्ट फ्रेंड है सारा.
Yeah, I can't. I've just noticed my 45, literally, Samya, 5 minutes small talk, and then I'm like, oh my God, please somebody just kill me or take me home or do something. I can't, I can't do it anymore. I just feel, and this Oscar Wilde theory,
Exhausting, na? It's exhausting.
it is, and Oscar Wilde says when you have nothing to talk about, people who have nothing to talk about will to each other will end up talking about the weather.
True,
It's true. है
true.
ना कितनी दफा हम कहते हो यार मौसम कितना है because we don't know what else to say.
नहीं तो अब मैं तुम्हें एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ आयशा. कभी कभी होता है कि आप कई फ्रेंड्स को हर रोज मिलो. हाँ, 3-4 दिन इकट्ठे मिलो, शादियां हो इकट्ठी, या फिर कोई अभी इफ्तारियां हर रोज हो रही, या कोई बाहर से आता है बंदा, उसको सब एंटरटेन कर रहे होते हैं.
हम्म.
उनमें आप हर रोज मिल रहे हैं सबको अपने. आफ्टर द फर्स्ट डे आप सबसे पूछ लो क्या खैरियत, तो बंदा बाहर से आया हुआ है, जो बंदे नए मिल रहे हैं आपको, दूसरे दिन कर लो, दूसरे बंदों से बात कर, तीसरे दिन कर लो. Fourth day, you will have nothing to talk to them about or anything else. You've done the talking, you've caught up, they're all your best friends, whatever. Best friends में भी catch up सब हो गया चौथे दिन. 5वें दिन तक अगर कोई एक्टिविटी नहीं होएगी ना, तो आप या दूसरों के बारे में बात करना शुरू करोगे. You'll start bitching
Yeah.
about people, which
Yeah.
I don't like. Or
For
you
sure.
will start talking about the weather, well, which is also tough. But then you'll be bored.
Yeah.
Then you won't know what to do with yourself. So it's nice to be with people you love even, and with them obviously but then either do an activity with them, or if there's no activity and it's just like a wedding or something, or if you've gone like say इफ्तारियों पे जा रहे हैं हर रोज, I feel थोड़ा थोड़ा मिलो, अच्छा मिलो.
I do believe that familiarity breeds contempt वाली बात है ना वो
हाँ,
बहुत सही बात है.
बहुत सही बात. आई एग्री विद यू
नो लाइक
100%.
बहुत किसी के भी अंदर बहुत ज्यादा घुसने की कोई जरूरत है भी नहीं वैसे मेरे ख्याल में जित
Not at all.
थोड़ा सा इवन द क्लोजेस्ट ऑफ इवन योर चिल्ड्रन यार आई फील
Yeah.
दैट यू कांट बी लाइक टू इन देयर फेस
Mhm. They
यू नो
don't want you in their
यू
face,
डोंट
by the
वांट
way,
हाँ
na?
वैसे या दैट्स
No, not they are. वो
ट्रू
तो अब फर्क ही breed है. वो तो they don't want us in their face, right?
या
I mean, खुद आ जाएंगे हमारे पास जब उनको जरूरत है, which is fine. That's what parents and mothers are there for. But with no one, I think.
एंड गॉसिप योर टेक ऑन गॉसिप हम सब करते हैं ना कुछ टू सम लेस और
करते हैं,
थोड़ा
करते हैं,
एक्सटेंड
करते हैं.
के
To some extent करते हैं. I try to keep myself so busy, Aisha.
या
I don't have time for gossip actually. मुझे बाद में पता चलती हैं चीजें बहुत सारी. ये आई एम नॉट, मैं वो नहीं कहते दूध से धुली हुई कि आई डोंट नो एंड आई वोंट एवर डू दैट. ऑफ कोर्स आई विल आल्सो एट टाइम्स, बट I try consciously not to anymore, or not to for a while. And you know my life, it's so busy with doing things, constructive things, which I want to do, that I don't have time for much.
या
And if people tell me stuff, I will say, the first thing I'll say, तुमने खुद देखा था, तुमने खुद सुना था, तुम्हें कैसे पता है? And but saying all of this, yes. But आप जब अपने क्लोजेस्ट के साथ हो गए, तो आप किसी की बात करोगे तो यू नो दैट वो वहां से कहीं जा नहीं रही, वो आपके इस यूनिट में है, वो यहीं रहेगी, और आप आपस में बात कर लो, विच इज फाइन. एंड वो ट्रूथफुल बातें नहीं है तो आप आपस में शेयर किसी के साथ तो करना है ना, तो आपके हैं हैंडफुल, उनके साथ आप शेयर कर लो. तो दैट आई डोंट थिंक इज कॉन्सेप्ट. दैट इज योर कंफर्ट जोन विच यू आर, you know,
शेयरिंग इंफॉर्मेशन
and then sharing information.
Yes. No, I mean,
Yes.
I feel, I don't feel great. If, and you know that even in our chat, sometimes I'll say, क्या जरूरत है या
हाँ,
like,
बिल्कुल.
I feel किसी की तकलीफ या किसी का मुश्किल वक्त या किसी ने कोई गलती की हो, उसको गॉसिप बनाना और उसके बारे में बात करना इज बहुत गलत बात है.
गलत है. गलत बात है आयशा, हमारा रिलीजन भी यही कहता है गलत बात है, एंड उस पे पर्दा डालना चाहिए।
हम्म।
तो डालना चाहिए पर्दा।
जैसे
परसों तरसों मुझे, मैं एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ, मैं कहीं गई हुई थी, तो वहां पर वो एक हमारी दोस्त है, वो ड्रिंक्स, शी बिकम्स अ लिटिल आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल। सो आई दे वर टॉकिंग अबाउट, एंड आफ्टर अ व्हाइल आई डिड आल्सो से यस, आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड दैट, आई हैव हेल्प्ड हर एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड यू नो जैसे कि पता नहीं क्यों करती। सो आई स्टॉप्ड माय थ्री फ्रेंड्स हु वर देयर, एंड आई सेड, यू नो, I know that she has very difficult parents. She's our
हम्म
age. She's about 49, 50 ki hai wo bhi. She has very, very controlling parents.
हम्म
Difficult in that way, not sick or not. And that, maybe that is the reason why she is like that, you know, to run away from that. People, why do people drink or smoke up and all of that? They do it to run away from something, to kind of, you know, to hide behind these things, or to, you know. So
yeah
I think even gossip for that matter, when you have nothing else to do, then you do that.
हम्म
So it's best to do something. I feel that women, men to karte hain kaam, women should all do something,
हंड्रेड
you
परसेंट
know.
पर्पस जिंदगी का होना चाहिए। गॉसिप करना तो मैं कहना सबसे बेस लेवल है। अगर कोई लैडर हो तो मैं कहूँ वो तो पहला स्टेप भी नहीं है, वो इतना बेस लेवल ऑफ
Zero
टॉकिंग
pe hai.
अबाउट पीपल, जीरो पे हैं आप। एंड आई हैव
And
बीन
actually, it's
दैट।
not nice. It's not
इट्स
nice
नॉट
at all,
नाइस।
because you know, people, if you talk, and if you're a silent listener, even for that
या
matter, बहुत
या
दफा आप होते हो, आप बैठे हो और you know, लोग बात करें। मुझे याद है, when I newly moved to Dubai, मेरी दो जानने वाली थी, वो बैठ के बात करी थी एक थर्ड जानने वाली के बारे में, एंड उसके बारे में जो उन्हें बातें आपस में कर रही हूँ, मैं वहां सुन रही थी। For a while, I, in my mind, I judged that person, the third one, that oh my God, she's like that. Till I realized the real story with, and you know, and then these other two, I stopped meeting very often, because I just realized that she was a friend who they were
या
gossiping about, and so nasty. So if they were doing that about her, they would be, I would be a next target anytime,
हंड्रेड
right?
परसेंट हंड्रेड एंड
So
टेन
so
परसेंट
it's हाँ, exactly. So you know, ऐसे लोगों से बंदा दूर
दूर ही
रहे,
रहे।
या फिर बस हाँ, बेहतर ही है। बट वो ये ना, करते हैं लोग, बिल्कुल करते हैं, बहुत करते हैं।